In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Notion. By the end, you'll have your Google Calendar visible right inside a Notion page, updating automatically through a simple widget. Start by opening your browser and heading to Notion's website. On the home page, click Login, then choose the Google option. Sign in with your Google account and complete the prompt so you land in your Notion workspace. Once you're in, create a fresh page with Add a Page, or open an existing page where you want your calendar to live. Give the page a clear name so you'll recognize it later. Next, open a new tab and go to Indify. This service provides a Google Calendar widget that embeds beautifully in Notion. On Indify's dashboard, select the Google Calendar option. You'll be asked to name your widget, type a short descriptive title, then click Continue. Indify will prompt you to sign in with Google. Choose the same account you use for your calendar and proceed through the consent screen so Indify can read your calendar events. This access is read-only and is required for the widget to display your schedule. Once you're back on the widget configuration page, click Copy Link. That copies the special embed URL to your clipboard. Now switch back to your Notion page, click in the blank space under the page title to place your cursor. Type Embed to bring up the embed block, then select Embed. Paste the link you just copied into the box and confirm by choosing Embed Link. You should see your calendar appear directly on the page. To make it fit your layout, hover over the edges of the embedded calendar and click and drag to resize until it looks right. A wider block is usually easier to read for monthly views, while a narrower block can work well in a side column. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't immediately see events, give the page a moment to load or refresh the tab. The first sync can take a few seconds. Make sure your browser allows pop-ups during the Google sign-in portion, since the authorization may open in a new window. If you ever change your Google account or revoke access, you'll need to repeat the sign-in step on Indify to restore the connection. That's it. Your Google Calendar is now synced into Notion through the Indify widget, giving you a clean, up-to-date view of your schedule right where you work.